Boys and girls, today we are using bar models and arrays to relate multiplication and division as inverse operations. Okay, inverse operations mean they're like the opposite operation. Addition is the opposite of subtraction. Multiplication is the opposite of division. Okay, inverse operations. Read the story problem, please.
Hannah went to the fair. She went on the same ride 6 times and used the same number of tickets each time. She used 18 tickets. How many tickets did she use each time she went on the ride?
Okay, what do we need to find? Carter?
How many tickets did she use each time she went on the ride?
Okay, write it down. All right, let's use one way to find this answer. They said one way you can find the answer is using a bar model. So this says you can use a bar. Okay, you can use a bar model to understand how multiplication and division are related. It says complete the bar model. 18 to show 18 tickets divided into 6 equal groups. So down here you see we have 18 tickets, right? Are there 6 bars on here for 6 equal groups? Yes. Okay, so it's written 18 divided by 6. Now what is 18 divided by 6? What would we have to add 6 times or skip count 6 times to get to 18? They are helping us with this on the other side. But if we did, what do you guys think? What number?
6.
6 times 6, 18 divided by 6 is 6. So if I skip counted by 6 times, it would get to 18. Okay, let's try it. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So does 18 divided by 6 equal 6? No. 36 divided by 6 is 6. What's 18 divided by 6? Everybody else?
2, 3.
Okay, if I skip down by 2 6 times, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It's not 2. You guys should know that 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 does not equal 18. Let's draw a picture. Okay, so we're gonna have 6 groups. Draw 1 in each group until we get to 18. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what is the number that should go in each box?
3.
3. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So Pam used how many tickets each time she went on the ride? 3. What if the problem said that Pam went on the ride 6 times and used 3 tickets each time? How many tickets did Pam use in all? So this is multiplication, guys. This is showing you how it's related. Look, it's giving you the bar model right here. 3 in each box, and there's 6 boxes. How many tickets is that all together that she had? How many tickets is that, guys? 18. Because 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay, multiplication and division are opposite operations or inverse operations. You can think about multiplication to solve a division problem. So, if you know that 2 times 6 equals 12, then you should know that 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Or 12 divided by 2 equals 6. If you know your multiplication facts, division can be easy. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. You can think 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay? Next page.
Circle the numbers.
Oh, circle the numbers you need to use. Go ahead and circle them. Okay, another way to solve this problem, instead of doing a bar model, you could do an array. You can use an array to see how multiplication and division are related. Show an array with 18 counters and 3 equal rows by completing the drawing. So they have 3 red counters and they want us to trace the other 3 on there. So trace the other 3, please. And then continue making 1 in each row until you get to 18. Okay, how many counters did you have in each row? Boys and girls?
6.
You had 6 in each row?
Yeah.
Okay, 6 counters in each row. So 18 divided by 3 equals
6.
Okay, now the same array could be used to find the total number if you knew that there were 3 rows of 6 counters. You know there are 3 rows of 6, and you need to know how many total counters. You could know that there are how many total counters? 3 times 6 equals?
18.
18. There are 18 total counters. Okay, now we are on share and show.